Do you already have diabetes, hypertension, or high cholesterol, and you are thinking that buying health insurance may not be useful because you still have to wait for 3 to 4 years before these conditions are covered? And if you already have a health insurance policy, you may be paying around 20 to 30% extra premium because of a pre-existing disease. Are you one of them? So even after paying this additional amount, you may still have to complete a pre-existing disease waiting period of 3 years. So what is the real benefit of paying a higher premium if you still have to wait several years for coverage? Or is there any health insurance plan that may charge an additional premium but provides coverage for selected pre-existing disease much earlier? Yes, some health insurance plans now offer coverage for selected pre-existing conditions from day 1 or from the 31st day. And to receive this benefit, you may have to select a specific add-on or disease management benefit and pay an additional premium. Now, it is important to understand the difference between an additional premium and a loading charge. Additional premium is generally a fixed amount charged for selecting a particular benefit or add-on that reduces or removes the waiting period for a specified disease. And loading, on the other hand, is usually calculated as a percentage of your base premium based on the medical risk identified by the insurer. For example, insurer may apply a certain percentage for hypertension and another percentage for diabetes. If a 10% loading is applied for blood pressure and 10 to 15% loading is applied for diabetes, the total loading amount may reach approximately 20 to 25% depending on the insurer's underwriting decision. So hi, I am Mariam and you are watching PolicyHub, and today in this video we will discuss is health insurance cover BP and diabetes or not, and we will compare 5 health insurance plans that offers faster coverage for diabetes, hypertension and certain related lifestyle disease. So these includes HDFC Ergo Optima Secure, Tata AIG Medicare Select, ICICI Lombard Elevate, Nevo Per Assure 3.0 and Care Supreme. So let's begin with HDFC Ergo. HDFC Ergo offers ABCD chronic care benefit. ABCD stands for asthma, blood pressure, cholesterol and diabetes. So with this benefit, declared conditions can become payable after waiting period of 30 days. So meaning coverage begins from 31st day of the policy. An additional premium will apply and the insurer may accept the proposal with loading, special condition or other underwriting requirement. Second plan is Tata AIG Medicare Select. So under this plan, the advance cover rider reduces the waiting period to 30 days for type 2 diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol and asthma. And it applies only to these listed conditions and eligible treatment expenses and not every disease or medical cost. And the third plan is ICICI Lombard Elevate. So ICICI Lombard Elevate's Jump Start add-on reduces the waiting period to 30 days for selected conditions including asthma, diabetes, hypertension, hyperlipidemia, obesity and eligible coronary artery disease case. So it requires an additional premium, applies only to domestic coverage and it's subject to policy eligibility and continuation conditions. And the fourth plan is Niba Bupa Reassure 3.0. So Reassure 3.0 offers day 1 coverage for up to 145 declared pre-existing disease condition by charging an additional underwriting loading based on your health profile. And alternatively, you may choose a reduced waiting period of 12 to 24 months instead of the standard 36 months. So these options must generally be selected when purchasing the policy. And the fifth plan is Care Supreme. So Care Supreme instant cover reduces the waiting period to 30 days for declared diabetes, hypertension, hyperlipidemia and asthma. And this plan allows eligible claims from the 31st day. And alternatively, the standard PD waiting period may be reduced to 1 year to 2 years and availability depends on the selected benefit, quotation and underwriting approval. So which plan should you choose? So for coverage from the 31st day, HDFC Ergo's ABCD chronic care benefit is focused on asthma, blood pressure, cholesterol and diabetes. Tata AIG advance cover is suitable for 4 specified lifestyle conditions. ICICI Lombard Jump Start cover a wide list that also include obesity and selected coronary artery disease cases. Care Supreme provides both instant cover and 1 year or 2 year waiting period modification options. And for the earliest possible coverage across a much wide range of declared conditions, Nevo Per Assure 3.0 stand out with its day 1 PED coverage option, and it may involve underwriting loading and acceptance will depend entirely on your medical profile. Most importantly, do not select a plan only because it uses the word day one or instant cover. Confirm the disease list, co-payment, room rent eligibility, exclusions, premium loading, and whether complications connected with diabetes or hypertension are covered or not. Because buying the wrong policy without declaring your medical history can be more dangerous than having no policy at all. And always mention your medicines, previous reports, hospitalizations, and ongoing treatment honestly in the proposal form. And it's better to choose the right plan today than to regret your decision after a medical emergency. And if this video helped you, then do like it, subscribe to PolicyHub channel for practical and unbiased insurance guidance, and speak with our team before making your final decision. And remember, the best plan insurance policy is not the one with the lowest premium. It is the one whose term properly matches your medical history and support you when you actually need to make a claim. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.